Hi friends, today we will discuss about compatibility testing. So in real time where we can see compatibility testing and how we will test the application, and now we will discuss that. So what exactly compatibility testing? So compatibility testing means testing an application in different hardware and software platforms is known as a compatibility testing. So and there are some types of compatibility testings are there. So in that browser compatibility testing and hardware compatibility testing and network compatibility testing, mobile device compatibility testing and operating system compatibility testing. So these are the some types of compatibility testing. So and now we will discuss about one important compatibility testing, that is browser compatibility testing. So here I have one application here. So this is my one application. So I'm using Chrome browser and Firefox and Internet Explorer and Edge and Opera. So we will check all these five browsers. So here when I see three bars present in the top left, so it is working. And so coming to Firefox, so here also I'm clicking this menu, and here also it is working. And I'm trying to click on Firefox, sorry, Internet Explorer. So here I'm clicking, but it is not responding. So this is the issue. I mean, this browser is not compatible with this software. So here we need to fix this issue. And we can also see so in Edge it is working. And coming to Opera, so here it is also working. So in these five browsers, Internet Explorer is not working. So now we need to fix that, and we need to maintain separate sheet, for example, I have written some sheet here, and this is the module. So in the Chrome, and this is the Chrome browser names Chrome, Firefox, and IE, Edge, Opera. So how we need to test that test the application. For example, these are all the modules. So first you have to go to the dashboard, and you have to click on the dashboard, and you have to check whether all the modules are working or not. And this is the organization structure. You need to click on this link. This is working or not, and you need to you need to check all these buttons: creation, organization, and create department, and then create sub department. You have to verify all these buttons in this organization page. So like this, you have to maintain one sheet, and you have to write that in one particular column. So that is dashboard and organization structure. And here manage users also there. So here we can see manage users in top left. So this is the manage users module. So we can also call as manage users page. So this is the page, and you have to check all the buttons over here, and search box and filters, all these you have to check. And coming to another one, so here I'm going to online exams. So I'm clicking on online exams here. So here you can see that this is the issue. This the order of the online exams is not in a proper way. So here gap is present. So in user interface, and user view, it is not correct. So we have to fix that gap. And I'm going to show in the Firefox same. I'm clicking on online exams over here, and so in this also this is showing gap. And so this is online exams, and so this is online exam. I'm clicking on here. So you can see that there is no online exams present here. That means it is not working according to the requirement. So I'm clicking on this button and this is also not working, so that means this browser is not compatible with this software. So we need to fix this issue. And coming to Edge browser, so I'm clicking on left menu and going to online exams. So here also we are seeing the gap. Coming to Opera, okay, in Opera you can see that this all the exams in a proper way. There is no gap between the online exam. So that means but this page is not compatible with the all these five browsers. I mean all this the Chrome and Firefox and IE and Edge. So it is compatible with, it is working with Opera only. So and we need to fix issues, all the issues, and we have to maintain one separate sheet. So like this, here I have written all the pages. So here, and for example, if you take online exams, so this is the manage online exam page. So here in Chrome browser it is not working, and Mozilla it is working, but now it is not working, it is not showing like that. So and IE is not working and Edge is not working, but Opera is working now. So you can see again, this is the online exam module, this is the online exams page, and there is no gap present between the two online exams. So that means it is working fine. Okay, and you can also provide the comment. So what is the reason for the issue, and you have to give screenshot for for clarity. So like this, you can do compatibility, browser compatibility testing. So and another one is operating system compatibility testing. So we have to check all the operating system like Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 and Windows Vista or XP. So I'm using now Windows 10. So if the requirement is like I mean it should work in all the browser, then we have to check all the operating systems, like how to check in Windows 8 and Windows 10, Windows 7, like this we have to check and this is called as a operating system compatibility testing. So when you test the application in all the browser, then we can call as a browser compatibility testing. And next one is a hardware compatibility testing. So hardware compatibility testing means different by using different processor like i3 and i5, like that we have to use different hardware components, and we have to check the application whether it is working fine or not. So that we call as a hardware compatibility testing. And then next mobile device compatibility testing. So in mobile it is working fine or not with the versions and all the mobiles, like so that is how we look compatibility testing. So thank you friends, thanks for watching. This is a real-time example. Thank you, thanks for watching.